I'm Doug from Woburn, Massachusetts.
And I'm Kelly from Woburn, Massachusetts. We're on the NCL Gem with Kevin from Kevin and Frank and Cruising with Wheels.
Hey guys, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and today's cruise day. Well, not really. So today's the day that I'm leaving for New York City to meet the group for the group cruise. Right now it's about 3:45 in the morning, and I'm waiting for Mary to come and pick me up, and we're gonna go off to the airport. I got up this morning about 2, had coffee, panicked because my cell phone did not charge overnight. So I was like, how am I supposed to vlog? Everything's packed, but that's all charged and ready to go. Frank should be getting up any minute to say goodbye, and we will be off to the airport. Well, we are at the airport. We just have to go in and check in. It is a balmy 28 degrees in Rochester, New York right now. And I guess we'll see you later.
That's showing you.
Thing. See, now I can't use any of that.
Wait, why? You can't say effing? You can't say effing? What?
He's got a Rochester t-shirt and a Rochester coffee mug.
I'm like,
Call it a day.
There's the birthday boy.
these hometown gifts took up too much weight in our suitcases. I'm like, next time we're not signing up for that.
We could have bought our hometown gifts right here.
Nothing says Rochester like like a t-shirt and a travel mug.
Did you say birthday boy?
I did. The birthday boy. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. We need to get us some food. All right, y'all. So you're not there. Are you all worried? She's all worried. Janina's sitting next to me. She's like, what, you're filming? We're on the flight. We're going to, where are we going? Newark. We're going to Newark, New Jersey. And then we're probably going to catch an Uber to go into the city. So the vacation has begun. Yahoo! Yahoo! So I guess we'll see you when we get in New York. I think it's a full flight. So I'm still trying to figure out how to do this because we haven't vlogged since 3 years. Isn't that great? I'm just gonna leave that in because that was perfect. All right, we'll see you when we get to Newark. All right, we landed in, where are we? We're in Newark. I keep thinking we're in New York, but we're not. We're in Newark.
Why are you filming the floor?
Okay, so we landed in Newark, and we are now making our way to baggage claim. Yay! And then we have to call Frank and check in and tell him that we landed. And we'll catch you on the flip side.
That's right.
All right, so we checked in with Frank.
Are we G-rated?
Yes, we're
G-rated?
G-rated. We were not G-rated before, but we are now all in the taxi.
Got Dave in the back.
Dave's up in here. He's the birthday boy. And now we are traveling from Jersey into New York.
They packed us into this.
They're so
van
gonna
like
make
a
me
pro.
make fun of me because they're gonna yell at me because I just made fun of a Jersey accent and a New York accent. But you know what? We are from New York.
No, we're not.
We're from New York. Yes,
I'm
we are.
from the New York with tractors and pastures and cows.
say that again.
We're from the New York with tractors and pastures and cows. One of my customers said, at least it's not like North New York and South New York, like the Virginias.
Oh.
Because what we were talking about how different New York is, upstate from downstate. And that's what she said. At least
Well,
we're not North New York and South New York.
And so I just want to clarify with all the viewers, because we always say that we're from upstate New York. We have been corrected.
Central.
We are Western New York, because in the city, like we're going to Manhattan, we're going to be staying in Manhattan. Here's a plug for RIU, Times Square. That's where we'll be staying.
Why are you going to plug it before we get there and see what it's like?
Because we've been there. It's fabulous.
Okay.
And they consider, like, anybody from the city considers upstate, like Yonkers, Westchester. That's all upstate. Y'all are wrong, because we're like upstate Western New York. But anyways,
Yes.
well,
Oh, I was just looking at the sky.
we'll see you when we get to New York.
Down jacket. Come on. I don't need it. No.
All right, everybody,
She's so
we've
stubborn.
now formulated a plan.
Have we?
Mary, Janine, and I are going to the 911 memorial.
We want to go.
Darlene and Dave are going to go.
Central
They
Park.
don't know yet.
No, we're going on a Central Park, a ride around Central Park in a horse.
Right around Central Park.
David's birthday.
So
Celebrate David's 60th birthday.
the girls and I are going up to 44th Street,
Let's go.
and then we're gonna go 2 blocks over to 44th Street and grab the subway and take the E line all the way to the end, and that's where the memorial is. We'll see you when we get there, or maybe we'll take you along on the subway.